Hi guys, this is a quick little tutorial to show you where to place your order. On the Styles on Top Beauty website, you're going to scroll down the menu and you will see place a custom order option. That's a little pop-up that asks you to please read, and just a notification that you place your orders now on the place a custom order tab. So once you have selected place a custom order, you're going to scroll down. You're going to see the section here that has the picture of the two toppers, and then you're going to go ahead and select add to cart. So once you add custom order to cart, it's going to give you the option to click that drop down box at the top, and you can scroll down and see all of the available options for a custom order. So for this example, we're going to place an order for the Carissa hair topper. Right underneath, you're going to see which option for color. You can choose black or brown with that one, and then you would select the size, which is a 7x6 or a 7x5, 7x7.5. It just asks you to type yes to a couple of questions, and then you're going to click add to cart. Once you click add to cart, it's going to give you a review of your order. You see the price there, you're going to see the color you selected, the size, the quantity, and then you're going to proceed to checkout. So you have some options for PayPal, you can do Apple Pay, or you can use your credit card. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can always shoot us an email at info@stylesontopbeauty.com.